I'm standing in the middle of the pond. They have built different structure here. It was so much attractive for the tourists. Those who are coming down from the different building, they enjoy so much here. And the scenic beauty of this pond are so attractive. And the people, those who are coming down here, they climb down inside this pond. They will find enjoyable scenic beauty here, and different structure has been established around the park. And inside the pond there are different something you will find here. And this greeny or greenery beauty or its fresh beauty after rain falling or after raindrops, the scenery of this area has been turned into fresh. And the tourists and those who are coming from the different residential area, they are enjoying so much. They are walking around the pond and they are enjoying the scenic beauty. This gives them pleasure to everyone. And the people, they are sitting around the moving structure, and which has been built in the corner of this pond. And some part they remain closed because repairing are continued. That's why it is not open for everyone. So I'm in the middle of this pond and I'm looking the adverse beauty. The clouds are floating in the sky. The scenic beauty of pond and the sky has been besmeared with each other. And finally, I would like to call upon every person, if you would like to enjoy the scenic beauty, you will come down in this pond and you'll enjoy so much. Thank you.